Darren Hager. I am Chief Everything Officer and Designer at Heyday Footwear, and today we're going to take a quick look at the new charcoal and safety orange Super Freak 2.0. The Super Freak sits on top of our cushioned cardio sole, which has a 4mm heel drop, so it's nearly flat, but it's cushioned enough for you to run on the treadmill or even on the street. It's got fantastic ankle support. The collar can snap onto the tongue on one or both sides, depending on how you like it. Comes with a charcoal elastic compression strap, which attaches and really provides some nice snug fit around your ankle. Super Freak 2.0 has our multi-dimensional 2-color ballistic mesh. The side panel over here is charcoal microfiber suede, which is vegan friendly. And then you've got microfiber safety orange leather in the back. Our signature wraparound tongue, which conforms to the shape of your shin and just looks amazing. Terry cloth lining with a removable memory foam footbed. They just look so stunning and so unique. It's not hype.